Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So today I'm going to show you how can we take trades according to the market situation. So the first thing you need to analyze is this. Okay, always try to remember few rules whenever you start trading. Okay, first click on this 5 minutes. So in this 5 minutes you can easily see that we have this level as a resistance, we have this level as a support, and now you can see this candle broke this level. So this candle broke this level. Now this spinning top is exactly right now at where, at this round number. So why this spinning top is showing that the market wants to go down. So if I analyze this market here, you can see you need to always consider few points. If the market is crossing or exactly at the round number, you need to check your round number, whether it is a strong round number or it is a weak. It is a strong round number or it is a weak. So now you can see after this candle at crossing the round number, buyers entered again. So now let me show you here again one thing. If I want to analyze this market here, you can see candle closed here. So let me show you here again. If you analyze this market, this was the level and the previous candle made a new low. So can I go here with the sellers? I took my trade here in a down direction because you can see this candle closed exactly at the seller's zone, at the key level. So therefore I took my trade here and this was a level. So now you will see the next candle will close as a bearish for sure. You can see here this candle has to close as a bearish. It will not close as a bullish. Yes, it closed as a bearish. Why? Because you can see here at this area, let me show you clearly. At this area I draw and showed you that this is a support area and this is a resistance area. So if you want to check this area, you can see this candle close exactly at this key level, the opening price of this buyer's entry. So it means that it is confirming that it is a next strong resistance area, and exactly from that point I took my trade here and I won my trade. So I was also discussing about the round number. If you see here the round number, this is the round number, and whenever a candle crosses or closes at this round number like this, or it crosses the level like this, you can expect here a buyer's entry. So now can I go here with the sellers? Okay, I have taken again my trade in a down direction. Why? Again you can see here this is a level, this is the previous support, and candle closed exactly again at that key level, which was a resistance level, and it made a new low. It means that sellers are forcing the market to go down. They made a new low at the level, so it means that sellers will enter again into the market. And now you can see I have taken here another trade. I have taken my trade here by seeing the SNR. Now you can see again I am winning this trade. So I took two trades here and I won both of them. So if you want to check here in this market, this is your next buyer's area, this round number is your next reversal area, and this is your next key level. From this point you can see sellers are entering into the market. So this is happening in this market right now. So I only showed you the way you can easily check this 5-minute, and on this 5-minute chart I took my trade. If you are seeing the levels on this 5-minute chart, then there is no need to go and check 3 hours, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. Start to find your levels at a current market. Try to find the levels at a current market. So now if I analyze this market here, okay, can I go here with the buyers? Okay, I have taken my trade here in an up direction, so let's see what happens here. If you analyze the market here, you can see this is the level, and candle closed exactly at the buyer's area, at this buyer zone. So if you see a strong rejection, a big rejection, so it means that this is not your main bias point. The level is here, so candle closed exactly at the level, so therefore I took my trade, and this candle has to go up and close above our entry point. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so I took my trade here and I got an ATM because of this buyer's entry. So you can see here buyers tried and entered here, and here in this zone we can expect a buyer's entry, so again buyers entered. So now can I go here with the buyers? Yes, I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Why? If you analyze the market here again, this candle closed exactly at the buyer's area. So from this point buyers entered and went up strongly. So here market will give us a situation whether to check the buyers are in control or sellers are in control. So because of this I took my trade here in an up direction, and you will see again we will win this trade. So now you can see here I took so many trades in front of you all, and I won each and every trade. The thing whenever you enter into the market is very simple. You need to analyze the market perfectly. So whenever you enter into the market, try to click on 5 minutes, then check your levels. When I entered into the market was here, so what happened? Market closed here, I took my trade. Okay, sorry, market was, I think market was here. Okay, market was here. When I came in this market, I took my one trade here, and then I took my other trade here because of this new low. I took my first trade because of the level. Okay, let me show you here completely. I want to explain each and every trade, and okay, so when I entered into the market, I was here, and I showed you here that this is a round number, and you need to check whether this round number is a strong round number or whether it is a weak round number. So it was a strong round number, so therefore this candle went up from this zone. So after reaching this level, because this candle broke this area, so market closed where? Now if you analyze the market here, you can easily see that market closed here exactly at this key level, the closing point. This is a key level. Okay, so what happened? Sellers entered again. I took my trade here and I won my trade. Again I waited only for 1 minute, and now you can see again what happened. Again closed at key level, making a new low. It means that sellers wants to go down. So I took my another trade and I won that trade also. So after that Again I waited 1 minute and I took my trade with this closing point, because here the candle closed exactly at the rejection area. So I took my trade here with a rejection, not with the key levels, so therefore I got here an ATM. So again I saw that market closed exactly at the rejection area. From this point you can see buyers entered, here. So therefore I took my trade here, and now you can see again I won my trade here. So this is how you can analyze the market, and this is how you can easily predict the candles according to the market situation. So okay, I want to show you here few more things. Now you can see I came here and I took my trade here. Now if you analyze here, this candle closed exactly. Okay, so now where is your next level? You can see here from this point to this point, this is your key level. Okay, so this is your key level, and this is your rejection area. Okay, so now again you can see there was a gap, so because of this gap market went down. So now can I go here with the buyers? You will see buyers will enter here, because of the level on the left side, a rejection point. So if the candle comes down, I can take my trade in an up direction. Okay, I need a good entry point to go with the buyers. Okay, I have taken my trade here in an up direction. Okay, no issues, but the candle has to close as a bullish. Now I was taking here a trade. Why? Because you can see again the same situation which I showed you in the past. At the rejection point, this candle closed exactly at this rejection point, So now you can see here, if you analyze this market, you can see I took my trade here with according to that situation. Again I won my trade here. So here you saw that one thing, that I am not going back, I am not checking the levels on the left side, I am only seeing the levels. So I want to show you here where I took my trades. I predict this candle, I predict this candle, I predict this candle, I predict this candle. Okay, I predict this candle, and again I predict this candle. So now you can see I took almost 6 trades and I won each and every trade. So you can see rejection, closing at the rejection, buyers entered, rejection, closing at the rejection, buyers entered. So this is how you can easily predict the market. So whenever you enter into the market, try to be with cool minded and try to analyze the market properly. There is no need to predict each and every candlestick. You will get the opportunities, you will get the right situations to take your trades. So I want to show you here that I also, one friend asked me about the round number, so I took my trade here with this round number. So right now I want to show you the round number strongness. Okay, so this was a round number, so okay, I need to change the color. Okay, so in between these two lines I am going to check the levels. So if I go and check the level, if I am getting the levels here, now you can see here, after every time whenever market is crossing this round number, you are seeing here a reversal. Now you can see market crossed this level, market reversed, market crossed this round number, again market reversed, market crossed this round number, again market reversed. So this is how you can see and check the strongness of the round number. Now you can see again market crossed this round number, this area, again market reversed. So this is how you can see that the round number is strong or not. Okay, I want to show you here again. You can see market crossed this round number, again sellers entered, market closed exactly at the round number, sellers entered. Okay, so I want to show you here in the past also more and more. So now you can see market crossed again this round number, sellers entered, market closed at the round number, sellers entered, market closed at the round number, sellers entered, market crossed this round number, again sellers entered, market closed at round numbers, buyers entered. So this is the strongness you can learn from the round numbers. So now you can see I took so many trades, I explained each and every trade, and you can see I got all ITMs and one ATM. So always try to remember one thing, candle closed here. So what is this? This is the key level. Okay, so candle closed here, so take your trade according to this situation. So you can see what happened here. I want to show you here again. Okay, I need to show you that point again. So now you can see in this zone, you can see it is very much visible. Market closed where? At a rejection point. So market will not respect this rejection. If it closes at the key level, it will respect. So here you can see market went down, but this time market closed here at rejection, so it is respecting. So now you can see buyers entered. So what happened here? Again market went down, closed exactly at the rejection area, this area. Again what happened? Buyers entered. So this is how you can analyze the market and you can easily take your trades. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment. Stay blessed you all. Have a blessed day ahead. And if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our channel Trading Skills. The link is in the description. So if you like my video, kindly share, subscribe and comment, because knowledge is good for you all. Stay blessed you all, and bye for now.